Best ways to cure insomnia and get good sleep. Good health, better mood, healthy heart, good immune system and longer life all start with good sleep. If you are having sound sleep of 8 hours in night, you can have healthy life. Sleep issues are epidemic among this generation. People and women suffer a lot. If you do not have children's commitments, also levels of sleep promoting estrogen sink regularly during menstruation and then permanently in menopause. Cramps, headaches, hot flashes and night sweats are all reason for not getting proper sleep. Sleep deprivation can affect entire health from your memory till your immune system, metabolism. This video will help you several methods to follow to get sound sleep at night without any side effect, as night sleep is very important task of your life and your entire health depend on how and how much we sleep. Increase bright light exposure during the day. Your body has a natural timekeeping clock known as your circadian rhythm. It affects your brain, body and hormones, helping you stay awake and telling your body when it's time to sleep. Natural sunlight or bright light during the day helps keep your circadian rhythm healthy. This improves daytime energy, as well as nighttime sleep quality and duration. In patients with insomnia, depression, daytime bright light exposure improves sleep quality and duration. It also reduced the time it took to fall asleep by 83%. The studied and verified, found 2 hours of bright light exposure during the day increased the amount of sleep by 2 hours and sleep efficiency by 80%. Daily light exposure will most likely help improve it. You can achieve this by getting daily sunlight exposure or try to get an artificial bright light device or bulbs. Reduce blue light exposure in the evening and night. Exposure to light during the day is beneficial, but nighttime light exposure has the opposite effect. Again, this is due to its impact on your circadian rhythm, tricking your brain into thinking it is still daytime. This reduces hormones like melatonin, which help you relax and get deep sleep. Blue light is the worst in this regard, which is emitted in large amounts from electronic devices like smartphones and computers, television. There are several popular methods you can use to reduce nighttime blue light exposure. These include wear glasses that block blue light. Install an app that blocks blue light on your smartphone. These are available for iPhones and Android phones. Shut down your phone, computers, television 2 hours before the bedtime. Set a sleep schedule and stick with it. If you do only one thing to improve your sleep, best and works faster than any other medicine. Go to bed at the same time every night and get up at the same time every morning, even on weekends. A regular sleep routine keeps your biological clock steady so you rest better. Exposure to a regular pattern of light and dark helps, so stay in sync by opening the blinds or going outside right after you wake up. To help you understand how your habits affect your rest, track your sleep every day for at least 2 weeks. Write down not only what's obviously sleep related, what time you go to bed, how long it takes you to fall asleep, how many times you wake up during the night, how you feel in the morning, but also factors like what you ate close to bedtime and what exercise you got. Comparing your daily activities with your nightly sleep patterns can show you where you need to make changes. If you keep thinking a lot in night, practice writing your thoughts, whatever comes in your mind, your problems, your obstacles, and also write down all possible ways of solution in your diary. Once your concerns are converted into some kind of action plan, you will rest easier and will help you to sleep faster and easily. Avoid smoking. Cigarettes contain nicotine, which is stimulant, and it prevents you from falling asleep, and many smokers experience withdrawal pangs at night. Smokers are 4 times more likely not to feel as well rested after night's sleep than non-smokers. Due to smoking, it promotes breathing disorders and which will disturb your sleep. Avoid as much smoking as you can. If you are used to smoke, avoid at least in after evening and night. Avoid caffeine. Caffeine means coffee, tea, Coca-Cola, all stimulate your body for 8 hours, so you should avoid after evening 4 p.m. If you are having cappuccino, coffee after dinner, bedtime, it will prevent your brain from entering from deep sleep or stop you from falling asleep altogether. If you crave a cup of coffee in the late afternoon or evening, then stick with decaffeinated coffee, which will promote your sleep in night. Sip milk, not alcohol. A few hours after drinking, alcohol levels in your blood start to drop, which signals your body to wake up. It takes an average person about an hour to metabolize one drink, so if you have 2 glasses of wine with dinner, finish your last sip at least 2 hours before bed. Snack on cheese and crackers. The ideal nighttime nosh combines carbohydrates and either calcium or a protein that contains the amino acid tryptophan. Studies show that both of these combos boost serotonin, a naturally occurring brain chemical that helps you feel calm. Enjoy your snack about an hour before bedtime so that the amino acids have time to reach your brain. 1 piece of whole grain toast with a slice of low-fat cheese or turkey, banana with 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, whole grain cereal and fat-free milk or fruit in low-fat yogurt buttermilk. Listen to a bedtime story. Load a familiar audiobook on your iPod and one that you know well, so it does not engage you but distracts your attention until you drift off to sleep. Stay cool. Experts usually recommend setting your bedroom thermostat between 65° and 75°. Good guideline, but pay attention to how you actually feel under the covers. Slipping between cool sheets helps trigger a drop in your body temperature. That shift signals the body to produce melatonin, which induces sleep. That's why it's also a good idea to take a warm bath or hot shower before going to bed. Both temporarily raise your body temperature, after which it gradually lowers in the cooler air, cueing your body to feel sleepy. But for optimal rest, once you've settled into bed, you should not feel cold or hot but just right. If you are in polluted area, try to fix AC or good fan, which give good cooling and maintain the same temperature entire night. During menopause, 75% of women suffer from hot flashes, and just over 20% have night sweats or hot flashes that trouble their sleep. Consider turning on a fan or the AC to cool and circulate the air. Just go low gradually. Your body loses some ability to regulate its temperature during rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, so overchilling your environment, down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, for instance, will backfire. Try to have proper sleep for at least 8 hours. Spray a sleep-inducing scent. Certain smells, such as lavender, chamomile, and ylang-ylang, activate the alpha wave activity in the back of your brain, which leads to relaxation and helps you sleep more soundly. Mix a few drops of essential oil and water in a spray bottle and give your pillowcase a spritz. Check your pillow position. The perfect prop for your head will keep your spine and neck in a straight line to avoid tension or cramps that can prevent you from falling asleep. Ask your spouse to check the alignment of your head and neck when you are in your starting sleep position. If your neck is flexed back or raised, get a pillow that lets you sleep in a better aligned position. And if you're a stomach sleeper, consider using either no pillow or a very flat one to help keep your neck and spine straight. Breathe deeply. This technique helps reduce your heart rate and blood pressure, releases endorphins, and relaxes your body, priming you for sleep. Inhale for 5 seconds, pause for 3. Then exhale to a count of 5. Start with 8 repetitions, gradually increase to 15. To see if you're doing it right, buy a bottle of children's bubbles, breathe in through your belly, and blow through the wand. The smooth and steady breath that you use to blow a bubble successfully should be what you strive for when you're trying to get to sleep. Oil massage. As per naturopathic practitioners, massaging your body can help you sleep better. Massaging with warm coconut oil or mustard oil will improve blood circulation and relax the nerves to help you sleep soundly. Slightly warm some coconut oil or mustard oil and rub the warm oil on your neck, shoulders, back and the bottom of your feet. Massage the body parts in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily before going to bed. Melatonin supplements. Melatonin is a key sleep hormone that signals your brain when it's time to relax and head to bed, and an extremely popular aid to fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality. 2 milligrams of melatonin before bed improve good quality sleep and energy for next day. Melatonin supplements do not have any side effect. These supplements are mostly used when traveling and adjusting to a new time zone, as it helps your body's circadian rhythm return to normal. It is widely available in all stores or online, and some countries need prescription for purchasing. Try to take small dose and always take these supplements under professional doctor. Bananas. Bananas are considered a natural sleep aid because they contain an amino acid called tryptophan that helps raise serotonin levels. Serotonin is a kind of hormone that helps regulate sleep patterns, as it contains natural muscle relaxants, magnesium and potassium, that help promote sleep. Plus, the carbohydrate in bananas makes people sleepy as well. Try to eat 1 bananas 1 hour before your bedtime every night. You can make tasty banana milk and drink it at least 1 hour before your bedtime, sure you did not take any sleeping pills. Herbal supplements like ginkgo biloba, glycine, valerian root, magnesium, L-theanine, lavender supplements improve relaxation and enhance sleep quality. You are supposed to take any one supplements at a time, not all together. It works well when combined with other strategies like breathing exercise. Everyone experiences trouble sleeping at one time or another. It can be due to stress, change in location, medicinal effects, illness or pain, or other factors. But if trouble sleeping has become a regular occurrence, you may be suffering from some kind of sleep disorder. Some of the most common sleep disorders are insomnia, sleep apnea, restless legs syndrome, narcolepsy, sleepwalking, night terror, bedwetting and nocturnal bruxism. Track your health always to stay fit and healthy. Sleeping well is essential for your overall physical health as well as emotional well-being. Improper and lack of sleep for even a day or two can take a toll on your mood, energy, productivity and ability to handle stress. If you are experiencing persistent trouble sleeping, see a doctor to find out the exact problem. There are treatments available for most sleep disorders. You can also make healthy changes to your daytime habits and bedtime routine to enjoy better sleep at night.